All right, this is the Mudbug on Boxbusters.tv. We're going to do a 6-box mixer. This is the random for the 6-box mixer on March the 6th, 2015. Roll the dice 5 times. 5 times, guys. We'll do the names first. 1, 31 names on the list. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Cameron on the top, Jake Rackley on the bottom. Copy these. Put them into the spreadsheet. Cameron on the top, Jake Rackley on the bottom, 31 names. Save. Again, we're doing 5 times. Good luck, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dolphins on the top, Falcons on the bottom. What does 5 times? Paste that in there. Let's see if you guys can see. Can you guys see all the names? All right, this is the random for the 6-box mixer. I'll stop the recording now.